Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, also known as UK Curly Girl, and on my channel we talk things all small business, entrepreneur life and more. And in today's video we're going to cover a topic that is very essential for small business owners. So if you are based in the UK and you're a small business owner and you are interested in learning more about delivery, definitely stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's just get straight into it. Delivery can be the most challenging part of starting a business and running a small business, just because it is a lot to deal with. You have to pack your orders and then sort out what kind of supplies you're going to use for delivery. It can just be a lot, but there are some great tips and solutions I'm going to share with you in this video to make this task much easier for you guys. So the first tip I want to share is offering your customers different options when it comes to their delivery. Now, when you are shopping online, you've probably seen when you are checking out that there typically are a few carriers that you can choose from and different delivery options you can choose from at checkout. I personally only would offer one type of delivery service, but you should actually offer your customers more than one service. This could be because a customer may need the package sooner, and if you can't deliver it within the same day or the next day, then they might actually not buy your product just because they don't have time to wait for the delivery. So if you offer a range of different options, there is more chance for your customer to actually go ahead with the checkout process. Now you're probably watching this and thinking, same day? How could I ever offer same day delivery? Now, I have a solution for you guys. Evermile is an online platform that helps small business owners like you and me manage local deliveries. So say for example, you are a cake business or a health and beauty business like mine and you want to offer same day delivery, you can do that through Evermile using their easy to use platform. Your customers can select same day delivery and Evermile will sort out that process for you. You also have the option of express and next day delivery options too. So when you sign up for Evermile, you can easily integrate it with your Shopify store. Of course, I love Shopify, so this was the perfect match, meaning all of your Shopify orders will go straight into Evermile and you can sort out your delivery within Evermile. This makes it super easy to use and it has really affordable pricing. So Evermile have partnered up with a bunch of different delivery partners, so you have more options to share with your customers when they get to checkout. I know myself, I like to get my delivery within the next 2 days, especially if it's a beauty item. I want it now, so having faster delivery for your customers is really going to help to boost your small business sales. So if you're interested in Evermile, I will leave the link for that down below, and let's just get straight into the next tip. So the next tip is all about packaging. Now, choosing the right packaging can really help with your business costs, because I know in the past I have sold, my items are quite small, but oftentimes I would put them in a larger box for some reason, and then I'd fill that box up with like tissue paper and peanuts and stuff just to fill the space. But really and truly what I could have done is packaged my items in smaller packaging, in flatter packaging. I would actually be paying less for my delivery, because the bigger your package is, the more you have to pay. So when you're thinking about packaging for your products, try and think efficiently when it comes to the sizing of things. If it is a clothing item, instead of sending it in a box, maybe you can send it in a poly bag or a flat large letter. Definitely go ahead and measure all of your packaging as well, even if you take it to your local post office and get them to measure it and let you know what the cost is for that size, and whether that's a large letter, small parcel, large parcel, and really just figure out how you can make a saving when it comes to your packaging when you are delivering. Next up is investing in some good tools that's going to save you time and money when it comes to the delivery process. So I always recommend that you grab yourself some postal scales, and that could be really small. You can have it on your desktop and you simply just measure how much weight your packages are. That saves you having to go to the post office and queue up and they have to actually weigh it. item by item. You can do it at home already, so it's already set up online when you are doing your delivery online. The next is a thermal label printer. Now this is really efficient when it comes to costs because you only have to pay for the label printer and the labels. You don't have to pay for ink. I love label printers. They print out things really fast and it's on the actual label, so it prints out the sticker the correct size. So all you have to do is print out your label, take off the sticker and put it onto your package. Really time efficient and saves you a lot of money in the long run. Another thing you might want to invest in is a small IKEA unit or some kind of dresser table that you can put aside wherever your office is, wherever your workspace is, and use it as a packing station. And what I did is I would put within the drawers all of my labels, all of my poly bags, all the peanuts, everything you need for your shipping. So you have that separate space that you can dedicate to shipping, so you're not running back and forth to get supplies when you're packing orders. You want to be as quick and efficient as possible. The next tip is for those who are delivering internationally. Now, I really recommend that you sort out getting the EORI number, which is free. You get this from the government website, and all that is it's a special number that you put on your customs forms. So if you're sending to the USA, they will ask on your form for an EORI number. It just helps with the clearance process so you aren't held up when it comes to customs. I don't know exactly why you need that. I may put it up on the screen, but it's free and it's easy to do, and it's going to save you the time and stress of the delivery partner contacting you to say that you haven't cleared customs, and then you have to go through this whole process. So if you're thinking about shipping internationally, grab yourself an EORI number. I'm not even going to go into the EU delivery because I myself still can't figure that out, but it is something else that you would have to sort out country by country and charging your customers tax. Otherwise they're going to get charged a really high fee when it gets to them if they are in the EU. So before sending to the EU, definitely seek as much advice as possible. And the last tip is again to do with pricing, and this is the pricing of your delivery. You have the choice to price your delivery at whatever you want to price it at. Even if next day shipping is £4, you could still charge your customers £2, £3, £5, even more than that. It's totally up to you what you charge them. Now the reason why I'm mentioning this in this video is because you really want to make sure that you are pricing correctly so that you're still making a profit. You don't want to charge too low for delivery that it doesn't actually cover your delivery costs, because then you're taking money out of your business and out of your profits to pay towards the delivery. So I like to charge what the delivery is going to cost, and I may put like £1 more just to make sure if someone wants to order, say for example same day, I'm able to cover that cost within the shipping fee. So it's totally up to you. Or you can offer free shipping to UK customers, but you just make sure that that delivery fee is put within the cost of your product. If you want more information on how to price your products correctly, definitely check out this video. I will leave it down below also. I hope this video was really helpful for you guys. Definitely check out the resources in the description box along with the link to Evermile. Leave any further questions you may have about delivery down below. Let's have a discussion, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.